How long does it take to lose weight? Whether you want to lose weight for a special occasion or simply improve your health, weight loss is a common goal. To set realistic expectations, you may want to know what a healthy weight loss rate is. This video explains the factors that affect how long it may take you to lose weight. How weight loss occurs. Weight loss occurs when you consistently consume fewer calories than you burn each day. Conversely, weight gain happens when you consistently eat more calories than you burn. Any food or beverage you consume that has calories counts toward your overall calorie intake. That said, the number of calories you burn each day, which is known as energy or calorie expenditure, is a bit more complicated. Calorie expenditure is composed of the following three major components. Resting metabolic rate. This is the number of calories your body needs to maintain normal bodily functions, such as breathing and pumping blood. Thermic effect of food. This refers to the calories used to digest, absorb, and metabolize food. Thermic effect of activity. These are the calories you use during exercise. This can also include non-exercise activity. Thermogenesis, which accounts for the calories used for activities like yard work and fidgeting. If the number of calories you consume equals the number of calories you burn, you maintain your body weight. If you want to lose weight, you must create a negative calorie balance by consuming fewer calories than you burn or burning more calories through increased activity. Factors affecting weight loss. Several factors affect the rate at which you lose weight. Many of them are out of your control. Gender. Your fat-to-muscle ratio greatly affects your ability to lose weight. Because women typically have a greater fat-to-muscle ratio than men, they have a 5 to 10% lower resting metabolic rate than men of the same height. This means that women generally burn 5 to 10% fewer calories than men at rest. Thus, men tend to lose weight quicker than women following a diet equal in calories. Yet, while men tended to lose weight quicker than women, the study didn't analyze gender-based differences in the ability to maintain weight loss. Age. One of the many bodily changes that occur with aging is alterations in body composition. Fat mass increases and muscle mass decreases. This change, along with other factors like the declining calorie needs of your major organs, contributes to a lower resting metabolic rate. In fact, adults over age 70 can have resting metabolic rates that are 20 to 25% lower than those of younger adults. This decrease in resting metabolic rate can make weight loss increasingly difficult with age. Calorie deficit. You must create a negative calorie balance to lose weight. The extent of this calorie deficit affects how quickly you lose weight. For example, consuming 500 fewer calories per day for 8 weeks will likely result in greater weight loss than eating 200 fewer calories per day. However, be sure not to make your calorie deficit too large. Doing so would not only be unsustainable but also put you at risk for nutrient deficiencies. What's more, it might make you more likely to lose weight in the form of muscle mass rather than fat mass. Sleep. Sleep tends to be an overlooked yet crucial component of weight loss. Chronic sleep loss can significantly hinder weight loss and the speed at which you shed pounds. Just one night of sleep deprivation has been shown to increase your desire for high-calorie, nutrient-poor foods, such as cookies, cakes, sugary beverages, and chips. One 2-week study randomized participants on a calorie-restricted diet to sleep either 5.5 or 8.5 hours each night. Those who slept 5.5 hours lost 55% less body fat and 60% more lean body mass than those who slept 8.5 hours per night. Consequently, chronic sleep deprivation is strongly linked to type 2 diabetes, obesity, heart disease, and certain cancers. Other factors. Several other factors can affect your weight loss rate, including medications. Many medications, such as antidepressants and other antipsychotics, can promote weight gain or hinder weight loss. Medical conditions. Illnesses, including depression and hypothyroidism, a condition in which your thyroid gland produces too few metabolism-regulating hormones, can slow weight loss and encourage weight gain. Family history and genes. There is a well-established genetic component associated with people who have overweight or obesity, and it may affect weight loss. Yo-yo dieting. This pattern of losing and regaining weight can make weight loss increasingly difficult with each attempt, due to a decrease in resting metabolic rate. Safe rates of weight loss. While most people hope for fast, rapid weight loss, it's important that you don't lose too much weight too quickly. Rapid weight loss can increase your risk of gallstones, dehydration, and malnutrition. Other side effects of rapid weight loss include headaches, irritability, fatigue, constipation, hair loss, menstrual irregularities, muscle loss. Though weight loss may occur faster at the start of a program, experts recommend a weight loss of 1 to 3 pounds per week, or about 1% of your body weight. Also, keep in mind that weight loss is not a linear process. Some weeks you may lose more, while other weeks you may lose less or none at all. So don't be discouraged if your weight loss slows or plateaus for a few days. Using a food diary, as well as weighing yourself regularly, may help you stay on track. Research shows that people who employ self-monitoring techniques, such as recording your dietary intake and weight, are more successful at losing weight and keeping it off than those who don't. The bottom line. Weight loss occurs when you eat fewer calories than you burn. Many factors affect your weight loss rate, including your gender, age, starting weight, sleep, and the extent of your calorie deficit. Aiming to lose 1 to 3 pounds per week is a safe and sustainable way to reach your goals. Losing weight might be a long and tough journey, but it's worth it, so don't give up. Thank you for watching us on Daily Health, and don't forget to subscribe.